the witch's sacred space more than meets the eye. Altars are the heart of witchcraft. More than just surfaces, they are places of power. They act as focal points for energy and intention. Witches use them to connect with themselves and the unseen. Think of it as a place where the mundane meets the magical. An altar can be as grand or simple as you desire. What matters most is the intention behind it. It's a reflection of the witch's personal journey and practice, each item carefully chosen to represent their unique path. Altars serve as a visual reminder of one's spiritual goals. They are places of offering, prayer, and spell work. By interacting with their altars, witches deepen their connection to their craft. Echoes of the ancients' altars through time. The use of altars is not unique to witchcraft. Throughout history, cultures have used them for rituals and offerings. Ancient civilizations, from Egypt to Greece, built altars to honor their deities. These early altars were often elaborate structures. They were built in temples and sacred groves. People would bring offerings of food, drink, and incense. They believed these offerings would appease the gods. Over time, the use of altars evolved. They became more personal and less formal. People began to create altars in their homes. These altars were used for prayer, meditation, and divination. Tools of the craft: decoding the altar's elements. Each item on a witch's altar holds significance. Candles, for instance, represent the element of fire. They symbolize transformation and illumination. Different colored candles are used to attract specific energies. Crystals, with their unique vibrations, are also common. They amplify intentions and channel different energies. A clear quartz crystal, for example, is known for its cleansing properties. Herbs and plants bring their own magic to the altar. They represent the earth's life force. Lavender for peace, rosemary for protection. Each herb carries unique properties. Crafting your own sacred space. A guide to personal altars. Creating a personal altar is a deeply personal experience. There are no strict rules, only guidelines. The first step is to choose a space that feels sacred to you. It could be a quiet corner in your home or a dedicated room. Next, decide on the elements you want to include. Consider what resonates with your practice. Start with the basics, a representation of the 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water. Once you've gathered your items, cleanse and consecrate them. This infuses them with your energy and intention. Arrange them on your altar in a way that feels aesthetically pleasing and energetically balanced. Your altar is a living, breathing space. Don't be afraid to rearrange it. Add or remove items as your practice evolves. The most important thing is that it feels like a true reflection of your magical journey.